beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious plantain stuffed patties that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I am ready to show you how to make these amazing plantain patties without boiling them. Look at these. These plantains are very ripe, and this is exactly how the skin should be when you make these amazing patties. I have here butter with salt, mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, of course cotija cheese, and this is how we are going to prepare our patties with plantain. A lot of people like to cut them and boil them and then smash them, but let me tell you, when you boil your plantain, the water stays nice and sweet, but yet they don't use the water, so your plantain leaves all those amazing flavors in the water. When you boil your delicious plantains, all those benefits stay in the water. So that's why I want to show you step by step how to make these amazing plantain dessert. I love it. Look at this. You're going to make sure that they are nice and ripe. And I want you to smash one by one. Don't add everything in here and then smash it. Add one by one so that you mash it really good, and you're really going to have these patties nice and sweet, sweet and salty. You are really going to love it. Once they are nice and smashed, you're going to start adding your all-purpose flour. Remember, I am using 2 tablespoons. Of course, if you don't want to use all-purpose flour, they're still going to come out delicious and amazing. You just need to fry them a little longer. But here I'm just incorporating, making sure that everything is nice and covered, and then I am going to let it rest for just a couple minutes so I could prepare the cheese, the mozzarella cheese and the cotija cheese. Look at this. Look how easy this is to make these patties with all their properties and nice and sweet. There's no need to add any sugar to this. The plantain, they were nice and ripe, nice and soft, so there's no need to add any sugar to these amazing plantain patties. Well, here I am going to start slicing my mozzarella cheese. Yes, these plantain dessert, as I call it, they really come out so delicious and amazing, and they're even best when they're nice and warm. So I am cutting my mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna just make a few for this video, but I want to leave everything ready so when my family comes to my home after school, they are going to really enjoy these patties. I have the cotija cheese, the mozzarella cheese, and of course the mixture of the plantain. And here, let me show you how they look. We're gonna go straight to the baking pan, and let me show you how we're going to cook it. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of salted butter. I am going to let it melt completely. If you see it's too much butter, just use 1 tablespoon. Look at this. At the end, I only used 1. And this is more than enough. I'm going to add the mixture, scoop it in. I'm going to add 4 scoops. And right in the center, I am going to add the cotija cheese. I am going to add the mozzarella cheese. And then I am going to top it with the mixture right on the top. This is how I make my amazing patties of plantain. Look at this. You add a little bit on the top, of course, with the spoon or the spatula. Round up your patties so they are nice and round. Look at this. Look how easy, how delicious. They're going to come out amazing, let me tell you. Once you make them, you're really going to enjoy these plantain patties. You're going to cook them in medium heat for about 2 minutes each side. When you are ready to flip, look how amazing the color is. Look how beautiful this is. I am sure you're going to love it. Cook them for at least 2 minutes on each side. Get a paper ready so that excessive oil, excessive butter comes out. And now I am ready to add them right on the top of those napkins. Look how beautiful these plantain patties look. I am going to continue making the rest. The same process. Add a little bit of butter, add the mixture, and then right in the center, add the cotija cheese and the mozzarella cheese. And be generous, so when you enjoy them, you could really see the gooiness of the cheese inside. Top it off with the mixture of the plantain and then cook it in medium heat until they are golden brown. Look how easy it is to make these amazing patties at home. Enjoy them with your beautiful family. I am sure you're going to love this recipe. Easy, delicious, and of course, when you use the plantain nice and ripe, they're going to come out so sweet and delicious. Make sure that you round them up so they look nice and round, and then just cook them for a couple minutes. I can't wait for you to make them. I am sure you're going to fall in love with this amazing recipe and with this amazing technique. A delicious and amazing plantain, sweet, salty, and of course filled with the cheese inside. And now let me show you from the inside how gooey it is. Look at this. It's still nice and hot. Be generous with your cheese. Oh my gosh. This is just amazing. Every bite you take, you are going to get a little bit of cheese. Look at this. Your mouth is watering. You like and you love this amazing recipe. Leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives. And I am ready to enjoy this amazing plantain patties. Of course, I am going to add Salvadorian sour cream right on the top. Any kind of sour cream would work, but I'm using the Salvadorian sour cream. I hope, my friends, you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. With these amazing plantain dessert. I know that you guys are really going to love these amazing patties filled with queso cotija and queso mozzarella. Oh my gosh, just perfection made at home. And to top it off, Salvadorian cream or any kind of cream you have, sour cream you have at home. But this is the part I love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes and be generous with the cheese. Excuse me. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe and you enjoy it step by step with your beautiful family. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you did, Leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing plantain patties filled with cheese. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.